So I will show you how to work with the time circuits kit. Okay, so I told you these are the parts already painted. Okay, this is the prototype that I have made with my printer. So it's not the same. It's not the same from Shapeways. So this is the model from Shapeways. So you can see the difference between the printers. So what I do, so I install the card with the LEDs into the rear part like this. So when you put the light, you can see each color is right, a correct separation between them. So you will get the clear color, no mixed color. So this is the first thing to do. You fix this part. After painted, this is the box. This thing put inside here. Okay, I will do this properly. So normally the thing need to pass here. Well, the hole is a little, well, I need to fix this, so this part needs to pass here. I will do it. So this is how I need to open a little this to make it faster, but usually I disassemble this part to put inside. So this is how it looks. After that, you need to paint the dates. Okay, so these are the dates. Okay, so what happened with the date? I did like this. I use masking tape. I put this part here, and I painted with black. Okay, I did several layers. Okay, I think 5 or 6 layers, but each time I use this flat wooden part and clean the surface like this. Each time after each layer of paint, I clean the surface like this. Okay, and each time also I clean with rubber, rubber to erase like this several times. Why? Because the dates are in relief like this. When you clean with the wooden part, you clean the paint over the dates. Okay, so I will put this thing here. Okay, like this. I will put with no order. Okay, only to put those in place. Okay, without order, all parts are like this, and in the last time you will finish with this part. Okay, is the faceplate. So the stickers are not good, because it was my first try of the stickers. So I use a photo paper, so it's too big, but this face plate will fit into the date. Okay, so I put this part here, and you need to fix it with some glue. I'm not sure which which kind of glue, but I think a very thin glue. Remember I am doing this very fast for the video, so maybe it's not very proper. The idea to do the dates like this is to be able to change the date, you know. Sorry for the stickers. So this is how it will look. So I will do the electrical connection. So once the electrical connection is done, look this magic. So you get a perfectly timed circuit. I think this is amazing. Huh? The results are very, very amazing. Sorry for the stickers. The stickers sucks a lot, but overall part is working so high, so beautiful. So when you do this thing, you see, I think it's working very, very well. Maybe try to put some. See, I think it's not bad at all. You know, so I need to change those stickers. I have a new stickers. I find a new paper, so it's a little more thick. It's very, very thick, and the quality is good. You know, it's a special paper for detailed printed. It's a little expensive, but it's not bad at all, the result. So you are okay. Next is this part is the keyboard, the tiny keyboard. So this is wrong because I use the wrong part to block here, no, to masking the holes and prevent the paint to go inside. Okay, and this is the keyboard. The keyboard has the numbers in relief. The print quality is not very good. No, we can see here the quality, but is the best solution that I get with Shopify. So this part will be fit inside. This part I painted with black inside, externally, and I paint also with a primer. So this part needs to be painted in gray and gray in green, and this part, you know, it will need to fit here. So it's too tiny. Come on, baby. Well, this part several times it works. And so if you can put a micro LED inside, you know, this kind of LED to make the lighting of each bottom here, and this part I think will work, you know, blocking the light. So this is for the time circuits. Well, everything is gone because the parts fall, but you know, this is how it works. I hope this thing will be nice for you, and see you soon.